Hey John, we have a problem. It's like, yeah, we opened up the gear side and we lost all the oil on the floor. I'm like, because that's the part actually where it really moves and where all the force is from. Chainmaster hoist will never fail. Hi, my name is John Van Look. Since beginning of the year, decided to join Chainmaster, a very big investor in Chainmaster, working rigging in Germany. We think where we came from the original 1-ton D8 to now the SK030s, like who do 500 kilo, and the 070s who do 1 ton. This is how we are with the safety factors. I think this in combination is the best hoist that you can right now buy on the market by durability over the 10 years process. The rate of success that we have, in 99% it works. I think that's the best hoist right now on the market. Nowadays, hoist, which is very common, at least in stage operations, is a so-called DA Plus hoist, which has 2 brakes on board. Number 1, the working brake. Number 2, the safety brake. They kind of react behind each other through rewiring of the power circuit. So the second brake, the safety brake, comes in about 1/10 of a second later than the working brake. So to reduce the dynamic effect, if the hoist is well maintained, which one should always do, these brakes work perfectly fine. If you don't do it right, then your hoist will keep you safe for a very long time. We very strictly recommend to oil your chain. It's not just a spray like this and be done. It's the oil or the lubricant has to get in here, because that's the part actually where it really moves and where all the force is from. So if you have some nice lubricant in there, it's just better. If the chain is jammed or something like this, you can have a look, but on-site proper changing the hoist is never the right spot. I strongly suggest that you should have enough gear with you on site to maybe change your stuff when you have a problem. But other than that, I don't suggest to open up on site. Only stupid stuff have mostly on site. Like just last week, people called me up, hey John, we have a problem. It's like, yeah, we opened up the gear side and we lost all the oil on the floor. I'm like, oh. Most everybody has the knowledge to understand that bumping hoist is nothing that's good for the roof, the hoist, or anything. It's the dynamic effect is horrible. It's like power in, power off, power in, power off, power in, power off. I suggest don't do that. Take your time. Per German norms and definition, every hoist or wire be installed has to be visually inspected if it's okay, and can only be installed by a qualified person, and then qualification is defined. Every 3 months, somebody should look at the clutch. Then you have yearly define an inspection for every hoist. You need a DA Plus gets a 4-yearly maintenance by an independent expert who needs to be extra qualified for that. I strongly suggest to everybody, you should look at the usage of the hoist, and you should only give your hoist to experienced people, to qualified people who know how to deal with the hoist and the different challenges that come around with rigging. My last big project I did for PRG was Soundstorm. Like, we built the biggest LED wall in the world. And they were hanging there for roughly 8 weeks in Riyadh, in the sun, sometimes rain, dust, everything, full program. Like roughly 450 Chainmaster there, and lift cat product, move cat products, everything. They all worked fine through the whole production. We had no problem whatsoever over 8 weeks. Procom is a #1 awesome place, one of the best places I've ever seen in the total arrangement, with the training room, with the small venue there, and with the facility, with the check facility, all the stuff. They have the people who are qualified, who can help you do your maintenance if you want to. They can sell you the gear, whatever you like. They have the knowledge. And as our trusted partner in the region here at all Middle East, I think they are the best partner to go with in this area. Now here, first time as part of Chainmaster, Move Cat, Lift Cat. It's awesome to be here. Thank you very much.